How to download the Facebook Messenger chat conversation. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download the Facebook Messenger chat conversation. So make sure that you install the latest version of Messenger on your device. After that, you can simply open your Messenger application. On the top left side you will see three vertical lines right there. Tap on it, tap on the gear option, which is the option of settings. Scroll down and tap on see more in account center option. So now you will see the option of your information and permissions. Tap there and you will see the option of download your information. Now what you need to do is tap on download or transfer information. After you do that, you need to tap how much information do you want. Tap on available information or specific information if you want it. If you want to download it to device, then to tap it. If for other destination, then to go there. Now tap on the next option right here. Now what you need to do is select the data range, and after selecting it you need to tap notify as well. You need to tap your email address also, and format. Choose. After choosing the format, you just need to tap on create files and then you are done. The files will be downloaded and will be sent on your device with the help of email address as well, and you can simply see it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.